Alright, waiting for the machine to fire up, and there it is. Welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Sunday, January 26th, 2020. It is 6:17 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. The last 24 hours, Tether into Bitcoin, 1.53 billion, and Tether into Ethereum at 807 million. Looking at Masari IO, we have volume at 390 million last 24 hours. And looking at Bitcoin trade volume, we have volume at 397 million last 24 hours. Where was most of that? Of course, on Binance at 211 million. Let's look at longs versus shorts on Binance, since they are the big player. Longs 30%, shorts 69%. The current sentiment over at Blockchain Whispers is indecisive for Bitcoin. Now on the daily, this blue line is the 200 simple moving average, and this green line is the 314 simple moving average. So we are below the 200 moving average on the daily. That's bearish, but we are working on either a bounce or a move below the 314 moving average. As you can see, the 314 is kind of acting as support, even though Bitcoin has been wicking below it on the daily. If we can get a bounce off that 314 and challenge the 200, that would be rocking. And so far, Bitcoin today has shown up for work, and it is a green candle. The MACD is negative, of course, on the daily, which is bearish, but let's see, that can change very quickly if we get a strong bounce off the 314 moving average. Looking at the 4-hour chart, as I see it, we are trying to bounce off the .382 at 8,300. So, correlation there, daily, the 314 moving average is right at about 8,300, and if we look here, 4-hour chart, we are also trying to bounce off that same price point at 8,300, looking at the 382 fib line. So what's going to happen? We are building up, if we look at VPVR, a good amount of buy-sell volume here at 8,300, so stuff is happening. We are above the 200 and 314 moving average, although directional index is definitely negative. We shall see. Have a slight uptick today. Let's see if that holds. It's all about, are we going to break above the 314 moving average on the daily, and also, of course, which I see as the 382 fib line. We shall see. We got a lot of buy-sell volume kind of holding us steady here at 8,300, so we might continue to go sideways. As you can see, here's 8,300 right here, and we've been flirting above and below it, but we are, as you can see, making a move this morning. And here in a very short time frame of the 45-minute chart, directional index is green and the ADX line is trending up, and right now it's at about 18. Like to see it cross the midsection here at 25. That would definitely be a positive sign. What shall happen today? Don't know. Just showing you kind of what is. But we have strong buy-sell volume at 8,300. We have strong buy-sell volume at 8,000, and we have strong buy-sell volume at 8,600. So it's all about these three magnetic, I kind of call them attraction points. 8,600 is a pull, where we are at 8,300 is a pull, kind of gravity, and then 8,000 is also a pull. So we very well could go down to the .5 fib level at 8,000. That would not concern me. Maybe we'll see a bounce there, but as you can see, we've been running right along this 314 moving average the last couple days, and we have not gone below it. Really, it's acting as support. So are we going to move up or down? We shall see. We will watch, and we will see what happens. All right. As always, I'm a member of Blockchain Education, have been for over 2 years. It's helped me learn to make money. I'd love to see you join the team. I'm Cowboy Craig in the chat. Come make money with us. With that said, even if you don't join, check out this link in the description. This is a Blockchain Education /news. This is a great place to check out daily news on cryptocurrency. As always, obstacles can't stop you, weather can't stop you, heartbreak can't stop you, failure can't stop you, only you can stop you. Keep hammering, keep hammering. I am glad you are here in the peaceful revolution. As always, Bitcoin is way more important and about a lot more than just the daily price action, but well, we do care, we watch it. Thanks for being part of the peaceful revolution, and I'll see you Monday.